Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Sometimes you want to serve a vegetarian rice dish that's different, but you don't know what to cook. This carrots biryani with chunky carrots is fragrant, spicy, and just right. For more such recipes, do subscribe and check out my other videos. I have some boiling water in a pan. Just add in a few black cardamom, some green cardamoms, piece of cinnamon, a bay leaf, and a piece of mace to flavor the water. Wash the basmati rice 2 to 3 times and then soak it in water for at least half an hour. Let the water boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. The spices will all release their flavor. Drain the water from the rice and add it into the pan. Bring that to a boil and keep an eye on it. We just want to cook it to about 75 to 80% done. That's boiling away. That looks done. The grains are looking longer. Turn off the heat. Use a strainer to drain all the water from the rice. And I'll just spread it out onto a tray. Let it cool down completely. As for the carrots, wash and peel them. Then using a peeler which has a serrated edge, just make mark on the carrot all along the length. So just press it and drag it down. As for the shavings, we'll just collect all of them and put them in the biryani itself. Cut out thick chunky pieces. Coarsely ground coriander seeds that have been roasted lightly. Turmeric powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, chaat masala. Bay leaf, stick of cinnamon, cardamoms, black and green, cloves, peppercorns and mace. Fried onions, roasted lotus seeds or makhana, roasted walnuts, pudina or mint, sweet corn kernels, strands of saffron soaking in warm milk, yogurt, grated onion and grated garlic and ginger. Heat some oil in a pan, add in some ghee or clarified butter, add in the bay leaf, mace, cinnamon, peppercorns, cardamoms and the clove. Fry it briefly. Add in the grated onion. I've squeezed out most of the water. So we'll fry the onion till it's light golden in color. That looks done. Add in the ginger garlic paste. Cook it briefly. Once you have added the garlic, just make sure to lower the flame. Add in the dry spices. Give it a mix. Twist out the coriander. Add in a bit of water so that the spices don't burn. And we'll bring it to a boil and cook till the oil starts separating. That's looking fine. Add in the corn, the carrots and the shavings from the carrots. I'll also add in 2 green chilies. I just want the flavor, not the heat. You may slit them if you so like. Now we'll cook the carrots in the masala for about 2 minutes. Season it with salt. Add in some water. Now we'll cover and cook the carrots. And let it cook on medium heat. So I'm finally checking after about 5 minutes. And the carrots look partially cooked. Just get rid of the chilies. They have done their job. So I'll just turn off the heat. Just whisk the yogurt till it's nice and smooth. That's done. Add it in. Mix it up. And turn on the heat. Keep it low. That started sizzling and the oil is separating very well. Just how I wanted it. That looks beautiful. So we'll just turn off the heat. So today I want to cook my biryani on dum in the microwave. That's why I'm using a glass bowl. I'll add in a layer of the carrots as the base layer. Make sure to get half the amount of carrots that are there in this layer. So this is about half of what I had. Top it up with a layer of the fragrant rice that we had cooked earlier. Again, the rice has to be split into two parts. Add one part now. Spread it out. Add in some of the fried onions. Some of the makhana. The walnuts. Just stir up some mint leaf so that they release their aroma. And sprinkle it on top. It smells so nice. Some saffron milk and strands of saffron for the delicate flavor. A drizzle of ghee. And we'll repeat the layers. The leftover carrot goes in. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Add in more makhana and walnuts. Top it up with the rice. Spread it out and press it lightly. Fried onions on top. Crushed mint leaves. Saffron milk. Spread it out evenly over the rice. Drizzle some ghee on top. Cover the top with a heavy lid or cling film. That's my microwave. Yes, believe me, it's 20 years old. So my casserole goes in. 60% power for 20 minutes. I just got the casserole out of the microwave. Time to serve it out. That is perfectly cooked. Make sure to get some carrots and the masala right from the bottom. Serve the fragrant biryani hot with some raita or yogurt on the side and enjoy the reactions. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.